Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is a part 2 of our last tutorial where we learned how to make passive income from our unused funds on centralized exchange. So in our last tutorial, if you all can remember, we learned how to do that on Binance using Simple Earn. Today's tutorial, we're going to be trying it out with Bybit. This service could have different names across several exchanges. So on Bybit, it is called Bybit Earn. So guys, let's dive right into this tutorial. So let's open Bybit. So for those who have not seen the last video and are probably just seeing this video, right? We basically just want to learn how to stake our funds, most especially funds that we are not trading. They're just like lying in our wallet, right? So we want to learn how to stake them in order to earn passively from them. I explained in the last video that it's as though you're just depositing your money in the bank and you're earning interest. So first off, we want to go over to our wallet. Okay, so similarly to Binance, Bybit also have several wallets. So there's funding wallet, there is spot wallet, there is a derivative wallet. So if you want to use Bybit Earn, you have to move your funds to your funding wallet. If your funds are in any other wallet apart from your funding wallet, your funds will not be visible on the interface. We have to transfer from our spot to our funding wallet. So let's do some transfer. So let's transfer some USDT. So we have transferred our funds to our funding account. So let's go over to Bybit Earn. All right, so in Bybit Earn, guys, you can see that there are, a number of services, right? But this particular service is called Bybit Savings. So we're just gonna open Bybit Savings. Okay guys, so these are all the products that are available. So just like we saw in Binance, there is flexible, there is fixed, and then there is an estimated APR, and then each product have their APRs. I did explain that in the last tutorial video, so you can check it out. Okay, so we can pick from any of these products depending on what you have available. We transferred USDT, so we're definitely doing USDT. Okay guys, so this is the interface where we do our setup. So you input the amount of USDT that you want to stake. The APR for Bybit is quite different from Binance. Binance have like a fixed APR, but for Bybit there's a little twist to it. Okay, so this is how it actually works. If your fund is less or equal to 500 USDT, you will have a reward of 8.55% APR. But if your funds happen to exceed 500 USDT, right? Say 1000 USDT. So only 500 USDT of your funds will yield 8.55%. The rest of your fund will only yield 3.55%. So if I stake my USDT, this would be my estimated reward per day. So you can turn on your auto savings. I explained that in Binance. I think this is like a timeline of how the disbursement and distribution actually works, but be rest assured that on a daily basis, your rewards will be credited to your wallet. Okay, so after you've read the terms and services, you can now check this and stake. Okay, so guys, we have just staked our funds. It's simple, right? You can check how much in total that you have staked. This is the amount that I staked in my wallet. So this is the amount I earned yesterday, and I can go to my holdings to check all the assets that are staked in my Bybit Savings. So guys, you can see these are all the assets that are staked in my Bybit Savings. So if I want to unstake my funds, this is also where I'll do it. So say I want to unstake some USDT, I'm just going to select USDT, unstake, and then I'm going to put the amount of USDT that I want to unstake. And then I'm going to specify the accounts, the wallets, where I want to send my money to. So say spot wallet, and then unstake. Okay, so when I go to my spot wallet, I will definitely see my funds in my spot wallet. So the rewards you earn actually goes to your funding wallet. So when you go to your funding wallet, you find the rewards that you've earned. Then you can now transfer to your spot wallet, and then you can trade with it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. We're going to check out other exchanges in subsequent videos. I hope this one was helpful. Do ensure to drop your comments and questions in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.